Hello, everyone. My name is Cristina, and I'm a theta healing practitioner. And today I wanted to come and talk to you a bit about what is possible for us to manifest. We are coming close to the end of 2020, which has been a massive year for all of us. And as we are stepping into 2021, many of us are writing our manifestation lists. Now, if you wonder what that is, if you're new to this, on the New Year's Eve, we write a list of what we want to manifest in the new year. What is it that you want to have? How do you want to feel? What do you want to achieve in terms of personal development, family, health, career, basically in any aspect of your life? Many people call these New Year's resolutions. The reason we call them manifestation list, is because the moment you put it down onto a piece of paper, you bring that intention into the physical world, and you set that strong intention of I want to manifest in the new year. And by that, you affirm, I am in my power to bring this for me into my reality. Now, today, I don't want to talk about how to manifest. What I want to talk about is what do you think is possible for you to manifest? A couple of days ago, I had a conversation with someone and they told me, well, I want something, I want this, but I don't think it's doable. And I asked, why do you think it's not doable? And the answer was, well, because this person and that person told me it's impossible to achieve this. And these were people in high places of authority. And my immediate response was, well, why do you choose to live in their reality where that is not possible? And this is what I want to do for you today, is bring you out of that reality where things are not possible, which may be someone else's reality, and bring you into your truth so that you can manifest what you think is possible. So I'm going to use the theta healing modality today, which works, it's an energy healing modality, which works around our belief systems, because our beliefs generate our reality. And if you carry someone else's belief of what is possible and what isn't, then your manifestation is going to be impacted by that. Are you going to put down the things that you don't think right now that are possible? Clearly not. And sometimes we have this tendency to not think big because it's too big to be achieved. So what I want you to do is really think big, really be open to what is possible for you. So we're going to use the theta healing modality to do that today. You will be with me for a couple of minutes, and at the end of the session, at the end of the releases and downloads, I've got a little surprise for you. So do stay until the end. So we're going to release beliefs, limiting beliefs, which are not serving us anymore, about what's possible and what not. And we're going to replace them with empowering ones so that you can bring into your life and into your reality that which you really wish to manifest. All right. So I invite you to take a few deep breaths. Take a deep breath in through your nose, all the way down into your stomach, and breathe out. With your breath, you are becoming present in the moment. I invite you to close your eyes. And if you wish to receive the following releases and downloads, you do have to say yes. Everything happens with your free will. So if it doesn't feel right to have a release, just say no or a download. And if that is the case, it could be because you need to do further digging to see why a limiting belief is still serving you. But if you're ready to release, just affirm yes in your mind or out loud, and that will take place for you energetically. So take a deep breath in again and breathe out. So can we go back into the history of your soul to all the times when you decided that other people know better than you and you accepted their opinion as an ultimate truth? Can we go back to all these times and lift all of those perceptions, all of those opinions from your reality? Just remember to say yes. Can we release from your reality other people's perceptions of what is possible? What is possible for your health, for your career, for your love life, for your family life, for your personal development in all areas of your life? Can we release you from living in other people's realities of what is possible and what is not possible? Can we let go of any blocks or limitations you may have placed on your power and on your truth? And if in order to remain loyal to those people that you accepted their opinion as a truth, if in order to remain loyal to them, you've made oath, contracts, promises, commitments to remain in lack, in poverty, in poor health, can we now lift all of these oaths, contracts, promises, commitments, and obligations? Just remember to say yes. And can we now cut the cords with all these people that you are connected to their realities? If there are any cords between you and them which are not serving you for your highest and best, let's allow this to be cut and lifted from both ends. And can we also detangle your energy from theirs? So in any shape and form, your energy is mixed with their energies. Let's allow it to be separated so that you can know your thoughts from their thoughts, your reality from their reality. And can we teach you now how to filter people's opinions through your own truth? Can we teach you how to see other people's opinions as perspectives rather than an ultimate truth? So that next time when someone is trying to impose their opinion onto you, your reaction can be, that's an interesting perspective. So rather than automatically accepting that as a truth of what's possible and what not, can we teach you how to see it as a perspective so that you can then go into your truth to find out what feels right for you? Can we teach you now that it's safe to discover all that is possible for you? That it's safe to be in your power, that it's safe to be in your truth, and that you are able to see your truth without being tampered with by other people's realities. Can we show you now what it feels like to set your goals, to set your intentions, to write your manifestations based on what is possible for you from now going forward, rather than based on what was possible for you up until now? Because the moment we shift a belief, we shift our reality, and what was possible or impossible up until now is changing. So by you letting go of these beliefs, you are literally shifting what is possible for you. So can we teach you how to set your goals, how to set your manifestations based on what is possible for you now rather than what was possible? And can we open you up to all of the infinite possibilities that the universe has for you in order to provide you with that which is serving you for your highest and best good? Okay. Can we teach you that it is safe to listen to your intuition? That you can listen to your gut, that you know what feels right, that you can listen to your own thoughts without questioning them. Okay, and can we download you with clarity and wisdom? And can we download you with courage so that you can act on what you now know to be your truth and on what you now know that it is possible for you to achieve? So just say yes. Let's allow this healing to be integrated for you on all levels, all time, space, dimensions, and realities, in all areas of your life, so that you can act from your own truth, from your own reality going forward. Take a deep breath in, breathe out through your mouth, and when you're ready, open your eyes. So, as I was saying earlier, I have a little surprise for you, and the surprise is my friend Tawa, who is an incredible, hello, who's an incredible healer and a friend, and he does vibrational therapy. What that is, healing through the sound. So he's going to use the vibrational therapy. You may know it as light language. What that means and what he does is he's bringing the energy of the divine through the sound, through the vibration of the sound, to break barriers and to heal. So the reason I invited Tawa today is because we've had all of these blocks and limitations of what was possible for us up until now based on other people's realities. And if you're ready to fully let that wall that you've been building around you, if you're ready to let that go, then Tawa is here to support us in doing that. So all you have to do is just be with us for another moment, a few moments. Just close your eyes and allow for the sound to work its magic. So Tawa, we're ready for you whenever you are.
Greeting. Thank you for the introduction. Such a beautiful way of putting it to words. So yes, I will be just channeling and relax and let's go. Let's go with the
Okay.
na ya manata ya kale na sha ya take yoro na samai ma ya ke yoro na tamanata take yoro na ta ma ya yoro na to yoro na ta yoro na samai yoro na sha yoro na ta ma yoro na yoro na ta sa ma ya ka ya samai ya na shamai ya la na ya ma ya na zai ya lo na ya ma ya la shai ya na ya ma ya la na ya ma shai ma ya ta ka ya la na sa na ta ma ya ke ya la na sa ma ya ka lo na ta ka na ya sha ma ya ke ya la na ta ma yo lo na sa ha ya lo na sha ma ya ya na sha ya sa ya na na ta ta ma ya sha ma ke ya na sha ya 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 na ta ka ya na sa ma ta ha ya ka ya na ta ma ya na ya ma ya ta ha anaya na sa ma ya na sha I am na makae wanata maya na sayona Moyo to so moyo nato so moyo kolana yanata hai. Mayano sayatan so hae yonate maya korena sae maya shamatarana shae mayanata mayanata so maya kiranata maya karanata siyanada mono yakiranata isaha ashahaye yorona hamaye yorona ta batakaye yorona sa Nayomanada Sayarana. Feel the joy. Feel your creativity rising. You are creator. You are enough. Create your reality. We love you. We honor you. We respect you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tawa. That was really beautiful. Thank you very much.
My heart to all your hearts. Beautiful unconditional love.
Yeah.
Just expanding. Thank you.
So I hope you have all felt the beautiful energy from Tawa's light language. And I wish you all good luck in discovering what is possible for you, in writing your manifestations or your New Year's resolutions. If you wish to get in touch with me, you can find me at my Facebook or Instagram page, Awaken With Me. And likewise, you can find Tawa at his Facebook or Instagram page, Unity Healing. And until we see you next time, Happy New Year and stay in love. Namaste.
Namaste.